Hello everyone, welcome to my session. We are very happy today because I want to share with you one very useful topic. My name is Riza Afzal from Baxter, Indonesia. In the next 10 minutes, I want to share about tips for book and research publishing into national and international journal. Yeah, my biggest dream in life is to be useful for others, which can be achieved through my daily activities, my achievement, my work, and how to share those happiness with others. But how to achieve it? Ali bin Abi Talib said, "Everyone will die except for his work. So, write something that will make you happy in hereafter." And what I have done during joining Baxter for almost 2 years outside my working hours, I made 12 scientific journal, all in English, 5 on CAPD, that means 42% of my work, and 410 articles in Indonesia published by Kompasiana, and co-authors in management occupational health nursing book, and authors in management CAPD for nurses. What I have to do those achievements with Baxter: sharpening communication and presentation skill with healthcare professional, widening networks, self-confidence in scientific approach. I presented my own scientific journal in regular meeting with Baxter, and we won the trust from CAPD nurses because we wrote about their professional need, CAPD journal, and also CAPD book. Yeah, a lesson learned: only by writing. I believe if I work more than what I'm paid now, I will be paid more than what I work tomorrow. Okay, what to write if you are an employee? There are three choices to write. The first, scientific article, second, popular article, and then books. What is differences between scientific article and popular article? Scientific article is pure scientific, and popular article, scientific thing is only species. What is the simplest formula? This is very important. The first, you need to like it. This is a subject to write. And then you need to know it. That is for content of the subject. For example, if you want, if you like to traveling or cooking, you can choose the topic for writing. And then you have to know about how to cooking, how to writing, and how to traveling. And then for the last one, you need to able to do it. This is the writing structure for journal. The contents are abstract, introduction, research method, result, study limitation, discussion, conclusion, and references. Yeah, and how to publish the journal? First, prepare the manuscript, and then search journal publication, identify the requirements for publisher, prepare manuscript according to the template, and then submit and write for reviewer comments, and ready for publication. And how to publish book? Prepare the manuscript, and then find donation or supporting agent if any. Submit the proposal if outside fund available. Send the manuscript for editing, waiting for the review and international series book number, and ready for publication. How to start it? Mingle with those who love writing, and then always spend some time to write. Join with a seminar or workshop for professional development, and be consistent even if no appreciation for others. Yeah, also there are challenges. We are always busy, right? And difficult to find the correct time. No idea to write and no focus, not focus. We don't know how to start, and we feel no use because we don't get any financial gain in the end. Here are some of my achievements. Best manuscript writer in 2020. Second best journal writer in University of Diponegoro. Best presenter Poltekkes Semarang. Best oral presenter at University of Muhammadiyah Surakarta 2021. And the last one of best Kompasiana writer in 2020. Yeah. If you open Google Scholar, you can search my name, and you will find some of journal, and these are some of CAPD journal. These are my paper, and also I received certification of participation in the program of journal publication. And this is management peritoneal dialysis nursing books. You can also write book like this, and this one of the best Kompasiana writer in 2020. Okay, the conclusion, I will not able to meet you in all this prestigious meeting of Baxter family if I do not write. Writing skill is very powerful tool in Baxter, and by writing skill, we could fly without wings, and we can be more than just an employee by only writing. Okay, thank you very much, Baxter and everyone, for all Baxter Indonesia team and the persons who have managed this event. Thank you very much. See you.